I just had some fun building this title in Illustrator, and I'd like to show you how I did it. There's something particularly cool about this in that I can take my text tool and actually edit the word. Look at that. It's all distorted and it has strokes on it and all kinds of fun stuff, and it's still editable. Illustrator is just great. I'm going to take this bare word and make it look like the one above. I bet you never thought you could put a gradient in live text, but with the help of the appearance palette you can. I'm simply going to click on the fill item in the appearance palette and click on a gradient that I prepared. It's actually going in the wrong direction now, so in the angle field in the gradient palette I'm going to type -90 and it rotates the gradient around so that it goes from dark to light upwards. Now the text above actually has 2 strokes on it, and again it's live text. So I'm going to go to the stroke element in the appearance palette, double click on it, and go ahead and give it a weight. So in this case I'm going to go to 5 points, I think, and I'm going to darken its color. So I'm going to make it dark blue. I'm going to make it 6 points. Then what's really cool is in the appearance palette I click on the stroke item and I click on the new appearance, or it's actually duplicate the selected item. So it puts another stroke on the same object. You can actually stack strokes. So I'm going to reduce. Oh, sorry, that's my daughter talking in the background. I'm not sure if you can hear her. We're just going to keep on going here. I'm going to change the color of that stroke, and now you can see that it just appeared. I'll make it slightly lighter, and we're most of the way there. I'm going to make the dark one yet a little bit thicker. So we're almost there. Now we still have our words selected, and we're going to go to the Object menu and choose Envelope Distort and say Make with Warp. It's the first item in the Envelope Distort menu. Now I'm going to hit preview, and my setting's already done because I just did the other one. So it's arc lower, and I've set it to -20. You can do whatever you want here. Play with any one of these different envelopes and or different styles, and you can warp your text the way you want. So I'm going to say OK, and now we're only missing one element, and that's the drop shadow. So I keep my word selected. I go to the Effect menu, and I choose Stylize and Drop Shadow. So Effect, Stylize, Drop Shadow. When the dialog opens, I check Preview. My opacity is set to 100% and blur is set to nothing. So it's actually going to make a solid black. Now I'm going to hit offset X and Y and increase the number a little bit. And you can place the drop shadow wherever you want, and you can actually change its color. You can use the opacity too to change the lightness of it. You can do whatever you want here and set the distance you want from the original word and click OK, and you're all set. Now if I take my type tool and click, it doesn't edit the text. The way to edit it is to select it with the selection tool, go Object, Envelope Distort, and Edit Contents. Because there's 2 things here. There's the envelope, or the container that we just created by warping it, and there's the text inside. Watch this. I'm not going to edit the text right away. I'm going to take the direct selection tool and watch this. I can grab the different handles and nodes on the word and reshape it the way I want. Isn't that gorgeous? And it's all editable. Now I decide that I want to change what's typed there. I go Object, Envelope Distort, Edit Contents, and that makes it that I can take the text tool, highlight the word, and type something else there. Isn't that just gorgeous? It's all editable. I can change the font. I can change anything I want. And then if I go back to Envelope Distort, I can edit envelope and do make changes to the envelope. Isn't that totally slick?